Jake, I'm worried. I spent 2 years learning a skill that's becoming obsolete because of AI and technology.
Which skill?
Basic graphic design. AI can now create logos, social media graphics, simple designs in seconds. Should I panic?
Not panic, but definitely adapt. Today we're discussing skills becoming obsolete and, more importantly, what to learn instead.
This is crucial information for anyone building a career or learning new skills. Let's start with skills that are dying.
Dying skill number 1, basic data entry. AI and automation handle this faster and more accurately than humans.
If your job is just copying information from one system to another, that's at risk.
What to learn instead? Data analysis and interpretation. Machines collect data, but humans must understand what it means and make decisions.
Learn tools like Excel Advanced Functions, basic SQL, or data visualization. These skills turn data into insights.
Dying skill 2, basic translation. AI translation tools are getting incredibly good.
Google Translate, DeepL, and specialized AI can handle straightforward translation of text.
What to learn instead? Specialized or creative translation, poetry, marketing content, cultural adaptation, localization.
Or become a post editor, someone who improves AI translations. This combines human cultural understanding with AI efficiency.
Dying skill 3, basic bookkeeping and simple accounting tasks.
Software like QuickBooks, Xero, and AI tools automate most routine accounting work.
What to learn instead? Financial analysis, tax strategy, business consulting. Help people understand and use financial information strategically.
Automate the bookkeeping, provide the strategic thinking. That's where value lives.
Dying skill 4, basic customer service for basic questions.
Chatbots and AI assistants handle the "where's my order" and "what's your return policy" much faster than humans.
What to learn instead? Complex problem solving, emotional support, conflict resolution in customer service.
AI can't handle upset customers who need empathy or complex situations requiring human judgment.
Develop the deeply human skills AI can't replicate. Dying skill 5, basic writing for simple formulaic content.
AI can now write basic product descriptions, simple articles, email templates, social media captions.
What to learn instead? Strategic storytelling, persuasive writing, brand voice development, content strategy.
Anyone can generate text now. Not everyone can craft a compelling story or develop a unique voice.
The ability to make people feel, think differently, or take action through writing, that's irreplaceable.
Now let's discuss skills that are becoming more valuable, not less.
Future-proof skill 1, AI prompt engineering and AI tool mastery.
The people who know how to work with AI effectively will dominate.
This is a new skill category. Learn how to get the best results from ChatGPT, Midjourney, AI coding assistants, AI design tools.
It's not about replacing your work. It's about augmenting your work to be 10x more productive.
Future-proof skill 2, emotional intelligence and human connection.
As automation handles technical tasks, the human skills become more valuable. Empathy, relationship building, understanding unspoken needs.
AI can't read the room, sense tension, or build genuine trust. Humans can.
Jobs requiring high emotional intelligence, therapy, coaching, sales, negotiation, leadership are very safe.
Future-proof skill 3, creative problem solving and critical thinking.
AI follows patterns. Humans can think outside the box, make intuitive leaps, combine unrelated ideas innovatively.
The ability to tackle completely new problems nobody solved before, pure human skill.
Future-proof skill 4, cross-cultural communication and global collaboration.
The world is more connected than ever. Being able to work effectively across cultures, time zones, and communication styles is valuable.
This is where English proficiency matters. English is the language of global business and collaboration.
Future-proof skill 5, continuous learning and adaptation.
The skill of learning new skills quickly is more valuable than any single specific skill.
Technology changes fast. People who can adapt, learn, and reinvent themselves will always find opportunities.
Develop learning systems, not just knowledge. How you learn matters more than what you know today.
Now let's address a big fear. AI is taking my job. What do I do?
First, don't panic. Every technological revolution has created more jobs than it eliminated.
But the jobs change. Typewriter repairmen became computer technicians. Same humans, different skills.
So, your action plan, audit your current skills. Which are human-centric, which are repetitive.
Anything repetitive is at risk. Anything requiring judgment, creativity, empathy, or complex reasoning is safer.
Then start building complementary skills. If you're a designer, learn strategy. If you're a writer, learn storytelling and psychology.
Move up the value chain, from executing tasks to making strategic decisions.
Also, become comfortable with AI tools. The people using AI to do their jobs better will outcompete people who resist it.
Let's give specific career examples with actionable advice.
If you're a graphic designer, stop competing on basic logo design. Learn brand strategy, user experience design, creative direction.
Use AI to speed up execution, but you provide the creative vision and strategic thinking.
If you're a writer, stop writing generic content. Develop a unique voice, specialize in a niche, focus on storytelling that moves people.
AI can draft, you can polish, direct, and infuse personality.
If you're in customer service, move towards customer success, account management, or complex problem resolution.
Handle the difficult cases, build relationships, turn customers into advocates.
If you're an analyst, move from reporting numbers to storytelling with data and strategic recommendations.
Here's what happened is being automated. Here's what this means, and what we should do requires human insight.
If you're a marketer, focus on strategy, psychology, creativity. Let AI handle execution and optimization.
Now let's discuss the meta skill, how to stay relevant in a rapidly changing world.
Meta skill component 1. Develop a learning habit. Spend 30 to 60 minutes daily learning something new.
Could be watching tutorials, reading industry news, taking online courses, experimenting with new tools.
The people who stay curious stay relevant.
Metaskill component 2, build a diverse skill set. Don't be one-dimensional.
I'm a writer who knows marketing, basic design, data analysis, and AI tools. This combination makes me more valuable than being just a writer.
T-shaped skills. Deep expertise in one area, broad knowledge in several related areas.
Metaskill component 3, network and build relationships. Opportunities come through people, not just skills.
Stay connected to your industry. Attend events, engage online, help others. Your network is your safety net.
Metaskill component 4, personal branding. Make yourself visible and valuable.
Share your knowledge, teach others. Build a reputation as someone who solves problems and stays current.
When change happens, people remember the person who was already adapting and sharing insights.
Let's create a 30-day plan for anyone worried about their career future.
Week 1. Audit your skills. List everything you know how to do. Categorize as human-centric or automatable.
Be honest. Which skills does AI threaten?
Week 2. Research your industry's future. Read articles, watch videos, join forums discussing where your field is heading.
What skills are employers asking for? What's emerging as valuable?
Week 3. Pick one new skill to learn that's complementary to your current expertise. Start learning it.
Don't try to learn everything. One focused new skill gives you an edge.
Week 4. Experiment with AI tools relevant to your field. Spend time understanding how to use them effectively.
The goal isn't to be replaced by AI, it's to use AI as your assistant.
And throughout this month, start sharing your learning journey. Post on LinkedIn, write blog posts, make videos.
Building your personal brand now positions you as an adapter and thought leader.
Now let's address mindset. Change is scary. How do we stay positive?
Reframe it. Instead of "my skills are becoming useless," think I get to learn exciting new things.
Every skill you have still has value. You're just adding to your toolkit, not replacing everything.
And remember, humans have adapted to every technological revolution. We'll adapt to this one too.
The people who thrive are those who see change as opportunity, not threat.
Final thoughts. The future belongs to lifelong learners who combine human skills with technical skills.
Be human in what you do, be technical in how you do it. That's the winning combination.
And constantly improve your English. It's the language of global opportunity, AI tools, and international collaboration.
Every skill we discussed today is learned and discussed primarily in English. Your English proficiency opens doors.
All right, everyone, your homework. Identify one skill you have that's at risk and one